Is it time to buy or sell FedEx stock? In this video, we will explore FedEx in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 17th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of September, 2025, our system has classified FedEx as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 4.62. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's expectations, showing a gain of 0.22%. This equates to an average return of 0.02% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is moving within a wide and horizontal trend, and further movements within this trend can be expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 1.77% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 6.52% to positive 4.69%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 22.68%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 43.21% to negative 15.50% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $128.21 and $190.78. Our latest daily update for FedEx includes the headline: FedEx stock price ended at $225.78 on Wednesday, after losing 0.84%. The FedEx stock price fell by 0.84% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 17th of September, 2025, dropping from $227.70 to $225.78. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.79%, ranging from a low of $224.37 to a high of $232.87. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a gain of 0.2% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 3 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $702,410,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $308.53, while the lowest price was $194.30. Currently, the price is 26.82%, or $82.75 below the 52-week high, and 29.42%, or $94.12 below the all-time high on May 27, 2021, when the price peaked at $319.90. FedEx enters earnings week facing new challenges. The company is set to report its fiscal first quarter after the market closes on Thursday. Analysts anticipate a decline in profits due to the United States ending tariff-exempt treatment for many direct-to-consumer parcels. This change increases costs and impacts margins this quarter. Wall Street has already exhibited caution. Recent forecast revisions and a notable downgrade reflect a skeptical outlook. Additionally, the stock's history of sell-offs following earnings results raises concerns about potential short-term volatility. Broader industry pressures, such as reduced shipping volumes and rising unit costs linked to the end of de minimis exemptions and stricter e-commerce economics, further contribute to the uncertainty. In the short term, expect price weakness or erratic trading around the earnings report as investors process the margin impacts related to the tariffs and any cautious guidance given by the company. Looking ahead, the stock's performance will depend on FedEx's ability to regain pricing power, manage costs effectively, and stabilize shipping volumes. Successful implementation of these strategies could support a recovery, but ongoing tariff pressures and volume challenges are likely to keep valuations and returns limited. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 16th of September, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned FDX a market perform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company rated FDX with a buy and a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup also assigned FDX a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that UBS rated FDX with a buy and a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned FDX a positive rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned FedEx stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as buy. The following signals have been identified for FedEx. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The FedEx stock presents sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which contributes to a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. Should there be upward corrections, resistance is expected at $227.22. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, August 22, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 4.65%. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 32 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 11 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 49 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for FedEx. FedEx finds support from accumulated volume at $223.86. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Overall, the stock displays controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is regarded as very low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $8.50, representing a change of 3.79%. During the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.80%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for FedEx, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 18th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $3.65. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for FedEx. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for FedEx is at $229.51. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, FedEx hits its first support level at $223.86. If this support level remains intact, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for FedEx from various analysts is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of August, 2025, Talwar Vishal executed an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 23rd of July, 2025, Ramo Joshua Cooper executed an insider purchase of 3,610 shares of common stock. On the same day, Ramo Joshua Cooper also executed an insider sale of 3,610 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 23rd of July, 2025, he executed an insider sale of 3,610 shares of stock options, which is the right to buy. Earlier, on the 9th of July, 2025, Ellison Marvin R. executed an insider purchase of 3,610 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 0.380. In total, insiders purchased 758,207 shares, while selling 798,084 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is FedEx stock a good buy? FedEx shows several negative indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 18th of September, we expect FedEx to open higher by $1.89 and begin trading at $227.67. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.